I hope you enjoyed the exercise about CRUD and you've understood how to create, read, update, and delete data with SQL. Now we're going to talk about the case study. You know, I said we're going to solve a lot of problems in this course. So I'm basically going to introduce you to the data set and the problem that we'll be solving in this course. This data set is about Airbnb homestay in Seattle. Since 2008, guests and hosts have used Airbnb to travel in a more unique, personalized way as part of the Airbnb Inside initiative. This data set is described the listing activities of homestay in Seattle, right? The data for this analysis came from Kaggle.com. You can actually go to Kaggle and get some other interesting data as well. It's a popular platform for data science and machine learning. You can get any data you need there. So myself and my team kind of extract the data from Kaggle and we use it in designing the exercise for this course. The following Airbnb activities is included in this Seattle data set. We have some tables in this data set. So this data set has basically 3 tables, right? And the table includes listing, which is the table that includes all the full descriptions about the listing on Airbnb. We also have reviews, which include the unique ID for each reviewers and detailed comments of everybody reviewing. And we also have pricing. This includes the listing ID and the price available for that particular day. So these are the 3 tables we'll be working with: listing, reviews, and pricing. So what problem are we trying to solve in this case study or this solution? We are trying to look at how can we effectively understand preferences and pricing strategy to optimize listing performance and maximize revenue. We also want to be able to provide a data set to offer an opportunity to address this problem by analyzing various factors such as neighborhood popularity, pricing dynamics, get reviews, and seasonal trend. So we want to look at the seasonal trend and also provide some information data. So basically, that's the problem we will be solving. So in my descriptions below, if you have been following this course, you should have downloaded a folder called Getting Started with SQL. Once you download this folder, unzip the file, you can right-click on it and click on Extract All to unzip this file if you haven't done so. And once you unzip the file, you have something like this. Once you unzip the file, just copy this folder, right? Then go to your local disk, which is local disk C, and paste this file right here. Just Ctrl V to paste, and you should have Getting Started with SQL course in your C drive, just like the way I have it now. Just download, unzip it, make sure the name is the same as what I have as mine, and paste it in your C drive, because we'll be reading the data from our C drive. That's why I said you should make sure that the name is the same as the name that I have on my C drive. Once you open the file, basically what we have in there is listing, pricing, and review, and then the metadata, which is basically the data that we need, the 3 data that we need. Make sure you have this, and once you have this, there's also a notepad that includes some SQL query that shows how we brought in the data. So make sure you have this notepad as well, because they will come in handy when you want to bring the data into your database.